The reality is, Mr. Williams had nothing to do with what went on in the courtroom on yesterday. One of the co-defendants, on his way to the restroom, attempted to pass something to Mr. Williams, who immediately turned it over to the deputy.
Hey man, stay safe world. You already know what's going on, man. It's a terrible situation for Young Thug right now, and it all happened in the courtroom. And no, it wasn't a sentencing, a witness, or none of that. Man, he got caught red-handed on 4K with a Percocet, man. We got to get into it right now, man. But before we do, I'm gonna need y'all to like, comment, subscribe. We're gonna run up this video, man. Man, check out the merch too at Staysafeworld.com. Link in the description. Yo, let's tap in. Oh man, this is terrible, terrible news. I don't even know how mans thought that this shit was even gonna work, bro. But basically, he had the homie pull up to him and try to do a cool little handshake in front of the judge and shit. And the dude apparently gave him a Percocet and was immediately confiscated. Man, this is the ultimate L. Like, at this point, you're trying to look like you're innocent and you pulled this crazy shit off thinking that you're like Houdini or something, man. It's a total L, man. Let's get into it. So Michael Seaton, basically from he's an Atlanta reporter from WSB TV. He's basically following the case. He posted footage of it actually going down, but the prosecutors say that the surveillance shows Adams walk over to where Young Thug is seated with his attorney and then drop a Percocet in his hand. A deputy then confronts Young Thug and he turns the pill over to authorities. When deputies searched Adams, they found him in possession of a Percocet, marijuana, and tobacco wrapped in plastic and food seasonings to conceal the odor of weed, according to investigators. They said that Adams was taken to the Grady Hospital after he appeared to ingest other items of contraband in an effort to conceal the extent of his crimes within the courtroom. Prosecutors filed a motion asking the court to make a finding of fact that court was delayed on January 18th. An attorney, Keith Adams for Young Thug, responded to the allegations his client was involved in with a drug deal.
The reality is, Mr. Williams had nothing to do with what went on in the courtroom on yesterday. One of the co-defendants, on his way to the restroom, attempted to pass something to Mr. Williams, who immediately turned it over to the deputy.
Man, I don't even know how you respond to this shit, because it's like, man, they caught you red-handed and they caught him with the pill. How is your lawyer supposed to continue and keep you looking the best that you can and say that you didn't do these things when you're actively smuggling drugs into the courtroom, man? Like, it's a total L, man. I don't even know how someone even thinks that this shit is gonna work, man. Honestly, let me know in the comments what you think what was gonna go down there, man. Let me know what y'all think was gonna go down. You think that they were gonna get away with that shit, or you think that they realized that maybe, just maybe, there was a slight little bit of room and they were fiending that hard that they needed a Percocet? Man, that's just terrible, terrible. If I'm a lawyer, like, I don't even know how I'm explaining this shit right now. I don't even know, like, and then the client's gonna be mad at his lawyer for losing the case, but I've never seen this in my life with them smuggling drugs into the courtroom in front of cameras, man. That is wild, man. You never know what's gonna happen in this Young Thug trial. We might just have to stream it on Twitch, man. Follow me, Twitch link in the description too, but tap in, man. Go tap in with the clothes. Let me know in the comments what y'all think about that shit, man. Real safe.